Dear student, due to coronavirus, school started online classes for your study. So you can subscribe Golden Flower Palia YouTube channel, like and press the bell icon.
Dear students of class 10, today I have planned to teach you second chapter of your footprints. The chapter name is The Thief's Story. The title represents itself so many things. This is a story of a thief. Thief, you know? Okay. My dear student, this story also written by Ruskin Bond, a very famous writer. And this story represents that we must have kind nature person. We must help other without thinking that the person is good or bad. If we honestly doing good for other, so it result also come good for us. How? Let us see this story. This story begin. There was a wrestling match and Anil was enjoying the match over there. Beside the Anil, there was another boy, a 15-year-old, who was sitting and who was planning to talk to Anil. Anil was a 25-year-old fellow, and the boy who was 15-year-old was trying to talk to Anil because the boy was a thief. The boy was a thief. And his target was, he was making target every day. Firstly, to make relationship with other person, and when become trustful, then he was making thievery. So now, during the wrestling match, he planned to make a good friendship with a kind fellow. Here, that one is Anil, a 25-year-old man. Okay. Without any interruptions, he told, you are looking just like a good wrestler. So Anil looked towards him and he thought, I don't know the person, why he is talking to me. But he replied, yeah, of course, you are also looking the same. So by this way, they started to talking each other. And as the wrestling match over, the boy, whose name was Hari Singh, and Hari Singh was not the correct name. When Anil asked him, what's your name? He replied, my name is Hari Singh, and he knew that it was not his correct name. He was every time changing his name to the new person so that he could hide his identity, so that police couldn't capture him. So Anil told him, okay Hari Singh, let us go. So Hari Singh requested Anil that I am just a needy person, I want a job. Can you give me a job at your home? Anil suddenly replied, no, I don't have any job for you. He told, I am so hungry. Can you give me a job of cook? I can make delicious food for you. But Anil told him, but I don't have money to pay you. Hari Singh told, can you feed me? If you can feed me, I can work for you for the whole days. Anil thought he is really a needy boy, so let him come to my home and he will make food for me also, and I will not have to pay anything for that. Okay, so by this way, on the same day, Hari Singh come to Anil's house. Okay, they both started to living together, but in the night when he prepared dinner, that was not so delicious. So Anil realized that he told me false, that he is a good cook. He even don't know how to make the simple food items. But as Anil was a kind-hearted person, he thought he is a 15-year-old boy. Let him stay here. I'll teach him how to make food. So by this way, they both started to live together. And Hari Singh was only just planning to make a big thievery at the home of Anil. Okay. Now few days passed, so Anil realized he is a boy, and now in this age he must have in the school for study, and he is not studying here. So Anil tried to teach him also. Let us see how kind person Anil was. He every day teach him something like to count down the numbers, so that Anil can just know the basic things, especially the maths. Okay, Anil was teaching him to make a human being, to be a self-dependent. But Hari Singh was thinking, wow, this is very good. If I will learn to count down money, then I will make the big thievery. He was doing good thing, but he was taking it in the negative sense. Okay, by and how they started to live together, and as the bond was between Anil and Hari Singh, that Anil will provide only food to survive Hari Singh, not to pay any kind of salary. So whenever Hari get any money to bring vegetable and all the household material, he was saving some amount of money from there. Anil knew it, that Hari Singh is saving money, not giving me record of all the food items. But he was thinking, okay, let him do it, because I am not paying him salary. Okay, Anil was a fellow who himself was not very sincere, means not very sincere about his own future. He was just collecting money from others, borrowing money, and then lending the same money, and by this way he was making money to survive. Means Anil was also doing some wrong kind of activity. So Hari Singh thought, he is a bad man, means he is not a good man, so I can make thievery very easily. One day what happened, Anil sold his one book to the publisher, and on that behalf he get a big amount of money. And that money Anil bring and put under the mattress, and that was seen by Hari Singh. Hari Singh thought, today is the best day, means today we can make the thievery, today I can fulfill our target, why I came here and is staying from a month. So under the mattress there was a bundle of notes that was brought by Anil. Okay, on that evening they both slept very soon. Hari Singh was out of the house in the balcony, and he was thinking, he was making plan how to make the thievery. Okay, in the midnight, he just moved to the room of Anil, and very easily he just took out the bundle of notes. That was 50 rupees each. After that, after taking the bundle of the notes, he immediately moved out of the house, and his target was to just catch the Lucknow Express that was coming at 10:30 p.m. He just go forward to the railway station. But when he was going to the railway station, he was thinking the days that he spent with Anil. He was thinking that Anil trust over him, and he has broken his trust. He was thinking now that he was fully alone, nobody is like his family members. He was thinking when he was living with Anil, he was feeling like a family members. Anil was feeding him, Anil was providing all the basic needs. Even Anil was teaching him to make a good human being. And what he did? He made thievery. So I think he was not so happy by making this kind of thievery, and by and how he just reached to the railway station. On the railway station, he was again thinking that he have done good work or wrong work, good work or bad work. So he was confused fully. What he have to do? He have to catch the Lucknow Express and move to Lucknow, or he has to go back to the home and return the money to Anil. He was confused. But Lucknow Express came on the station. He was standing to boarding in, but he didn't do that. The express moved on. He was on the same place still. He came back. On the way, he sit on a bench. He was thinking about his whole life. He was thinking, I'm a thief, making thievery from many years. But what I have got? Nothing. What the dream I have fulfilled? Nothing. He thought, I got a man who loved me like his brother, who teach me like a teacher, who feed me like a parents. And what I did, what I replied, what I gave for him, I made thievery. I break his trust. So this thing was really painful for Hari Singh, and then Hari Singh thought, if I'll go back to Anil and Anil will wake up and then they will find out me that I made thievery, then definitely he will throw me out of the house. But after all, he came on decision, doesn't matter, Anil will throw him out of the house or Anil will keep him, but now a time he has to return all the money to Anil and to accept his mistake. Okay, so by taking this decision, he once again go back to the house of Anil and put the bundle of the note on the same place under the mattress. And he was so tired because in that night it was raining, and he just slept over there just near the bed of Anil. He forgot to wake up in the early morning as per the routine. He was making tea for Anil, and suddenly he was wake up by Anil himself with a cup of tea. Hari Singh got surprised. Oh my God, today I just wake up late and Anil himself make a tea for me. And he was also surprised and fearful that if Anil have find out that I am a thief, definitely he will throw me from his house and I will be a wanderer. I will be a person without home. But the thing happened differently. Anil Singh not only provided him a cup of tea, but also gave him a 50 rupees note and told him, let you take this amount of money and go enjoy today. And the note of 50 rupees was wet. And the wet note somewhere signified that his thievery was captured by Anil. But Anil didn't tell him anything, because Anil also realized that though he made thievery, but he returned the money. Though he was on the bad path, but he come to the good path. Though he was a bad boy, but now he is a good boy. Now he is trying to be a good boy. That was somewhere a victory of Anil and his hard work for Hari Singh. So this is really very emotional story that is by Ruskin Bond, and he want to tell us that we must have to do good even with the bad man. Even with the wrong person, we have to do always right. This is the real lesson of humanity. My dear students, let's try to find out the lesson in a short summary by this one writer. Here there was a wrestling match, and in that wrestling match, one 25-year-old fellow, that name was Anil, and 15-year-old fellow, that name was Hari Singh. They were sitting together and enjoying the wrestling match. Hari Singh was targeting every day, every time with a new fellow and making relationship, growing relationship firstly, and after that he targeted to make thievery. So here also Hari Singh just developed a good kind of relationship with Anil, and Anil got attracted by his way of convincing and allow him to stay at home as a cook. Though Anil knew it that he is not a good cook, he allowed him to stay over there to do all the household work without any kind of salary. Okay. Hari Singh targeted to make a big thievery at home. Anil borrowed money 1 week and lent the money next. This was the business of Anil. By that way he was surviving. Now he sold a book to a publisher and earned a small bundle of note. That was seen by Hari Singh, and Anil put that one bundle under the mattress. Okay. Hari planned to rob. Hari planned to make robbery because of that he was staying with Anil. And he did the same. He robbed Anil in the night and goes to the railway stations to catch Lucknow Express that was coming at 10:30 p.m. Okay. But on the way he realized that right now he is like a homeless wanderer. He realized that Anil have done so many things for him. He realized that Anil was not only feeding him but also educating him, also loving him like a brother. So he changed his mood. Right now he didn't want to make robbery with Anil. He thought all the money should be returned to Anil. But he also was fearful. He was also fearful that if Anil will capture me at the time of returning the money, definitely he will punish me and throw me out of the house. But after all, he took decision that he will have to return the money by and how. So he just go to the house of Anil, put the money back on the same place and slept over there. In the morning, Anil wake up with a cup of tea. Hari Singh got surprised that why today Anil will just make a cup of tea, and Anil just provided him a 50 rupees note that was wet because yesterday night it was raining, so the bundle of note was a little bit wet. So he realized that my thievery is captured by Anil, but Anil haven't punished me. So by this one, the story got over. And the story tells us the same lesson I explained you, that we must have to trust over other without thinking the person is trustful or not. Thank you very much and have a good day.